This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, driver and passenger front airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.